Do you have any idea about how important phosphorus is? I think most of you know that phosphorus is an essential major plant nutrient to growth and reproduction. Usually plants uptake phosphorus from soil solution, and phosphorus is not a real problem until it stays in the soil. However, phosphorus becomes a real environmental problem once it contacts with our surface water or lakes. How? Phosphorus is a key nutrient for surface water eutrophication. With presence of very little amount of phosphorus, it can enhance the growth of algae. So, how phosphorus can move into our lakes? There are several ways. One is the flooding. You know that our soils become flooded like here in the spring snow melt and heavy rains in the summer. So, this enhances the release of phosphorus into flood water, then they move into our lakes. And usually topsoils has more phosphorus than the subsoil. So, to investigate this, we mainly focus on the behavior of phosphorus released from different soils in Manitoba from surface and the subsurface soils. For that, we collect soils from flood prone areas including Interlake region, Red River Basin and some agricultural lands, and then we flooded these soils in our lab. And we collect the water samples and analyze it for phosphorus. Interestingly, we show that the phosphorus releasing pattern is vary from soil to soil. Some soils release more phosphorus than the others, especially the topsoil. We notice that the topsoil release more phosphorus into our waters. So, how we can apply this into our real world? Do you think about that? Especially in agriculture and drainage system, wetland rehabilitation, people tend to flood our soils or waterlogged conditions, creating a chance, giving a chance to release more phosphorus. So, if you can scrape the topsoil out and bring the subsoils to the top, will actually a good opportunity to reduce phosphorus loading into our waters. And finally, that way we can actually contribute to reduce phosphorus loading into our lakes, and you can contribute to make our lakes clean. Thank you.